Hi, today I'll be covering a brand new product for SUNNYSCOPA. It is a one-paper solution heat transfer paper and is a perfect way to apply metallic color on mugs or tiles. The colors range from gold and silver, and what makes this interesting is that these colors cannot be normally printed with a laser printer. Here are the required tools: computer, metallic transfer paper, laser printer, heat press, heat resistant tape, scissors, and rubbing alcohol. Edit and print. Edit the image as needed. Print as a mirror image and print in black ink only. Print on the matte side of the metallic transfer paper with a standard laser printer. Please note that some laser printers might not be compatible. These include Oki printer and any printers that use solid ink toners. Cut and backing removal. Cut out the image, leaving a plenty of margin around it. Then remove the clear backing film with your hand. It is a lot easier to take off the backing if you fold the corners. Attach. Have the printing side of the transfer film face inside, and then attach the heat resistant tape on both ends. Heat press. Place the substrate in a preheated mug press and then heat for 3 minutes with maximum pressure, as results could differ depending on the mug press and the conditions. Please find the right value that suits you best. This could take a trial and error. Remove the transfer film. Take out the cup from the press and let it cool. You can either use water or dry naturally. Once it has sufficiently cooled down, remove the film. Complete. Remove any excess transfer residues with rubbing alcohol. Finished. If you want more information about our products, please visit our website at www.sunnyscopa.co.kr. You can also email us if you have any questions. I've put the email address down below.